Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a swipe effect using Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to elements, then we're going to select all the image that we want. Now we're going to minimize. Once we have completed that step, we're going to go ahead and group all of them together. Now we're going to drag it to the right. Then we're going to zoom. Okay, so now we're going to add a circle. We're going to change the color of the circle to the background color. We're going to adjust the size of the circle. And then bring it to the top. Now we're going to duplicate, bring it to the bottom, we're going to duplicate the page. Now we're going to hold shift and drag. Once we have completed that, we're going to add the transition match and move. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.